Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to turn on the airdrop on this device. To turn on the airdrop, you need to open the control panel and click and hold on this block. And here you will see the airdrop. Click on it and hold, and here you have receiving off. If you have receiving off, it just seems that you have disabled the airdrop. But if you have to enable it, you need to click and hold on it and click contacts only, or click available for everyone for 10 minutes, for example. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.